Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Jenny. So in today's video, I'm going to show you my nighttime skincare routine. So you're going to be getting unready with me and I'll walk you through every single step that I do every night. I filmed my morning skincare routine about 2 weeks ago. So if you still haven't seen that yet, I'll link that somewhere here on the screen and also on my description box so that you can go watch that after if you like. So if you want to see my nighttime skincare routine, then continue watching.
Alright, so to get started, I first like to make sure my hair is out of the way, so I am really quickly putting on this hairband just so that my hair is out of the way. Okay, so I start by using my simple micellar cleansing water, and this is the one for drier skin types. I have been loving using this one because it is so gentle on my skin, especially on the eyes area, and it removes all types of makeup. I place the cotton pad on my eyes for a few seconds before I start working the product on my eyes. I find that this just removes my makeup faster without me having to rub the cotton pad on my eyes as much. Let me tell you guys, I've tried quite a few micellar cleansing waters and so far this has been my favorite. I find that it really works and it's honestly the most gentle one I've tried. Then I like using my Tatcha Pure One Step Camellia Cleansing Oil for the rest of the makeup. I personally love using cleansing oils to remove my face makeup because I find that they are the most gentle on your skin and they really work to remove and break down all of that makeup and junk that you might have put on and had on your face for the entire day. So I really love using this cleansing oil. So you want to use this one on a dry skin. So what I do is that I pump maybe 1 or 2 pumps on my hands and then I literally work it in circular motions around my face, and I do this for a few seconds to make sure that the cleansing oil is really getting into my skin. And after doing so, then you can easily just rinse everything off. Next, I'm using my Tatcha the Deep Cleanse face wash, and I know what you're thinking. Yes, I am that kind of girl that double cleans her skin. As much as I love makeup, I make sure that everything is completely removed and that I have a clean face before going to bed. Now I'm just gonna rinse everything off and then gently pat dry my face with a towel. Just remember to always be gentle with your face skin. Now once my skin is completely clean, it depends on the day and how my skin is feeling, but I normally like to do a face mask. If I feel that my skin is a little bit dry, then I'll use a sheet mask. If I feel that my skin needs additional treatment, like if I need to exfoliate, or if I feel that my skin is feeling a little bit dull, then I'll use my T.L.C Sukari Babyfacial from the Drunk Elephant. And I want to share this tool that I found with you guys. It's from the Sephora collection and it's basically like a double-sided spatula slash brush that helps you apply any face mask. On one end you get the spatula that helps you to scoop out any products out of a jar or just to apply an even application on your face, and then you can flip it on the other side and use the silicone brush to remove the mask once you're done. This specific mask, you can leave it for 20 minutes and that's all you need. So as you can see here, all you need is to add a little bit of water into the brush side of the spatula and then just gently remove it from your face. And I know it might look like a little bit scary to use a brush to remove the face mask, but honestly these bristles are so gentle that it makes the removal process so much easier. Next, I use my Badescu Aloe Vera toner, and I love the tone because I find that it helps to balance out my skin and it helps to bring back any moist into my skin, and it is also a good check to make sure that all your makeup is finally and completely removed. You will be surprised sometimes even after double cleansing that the cotton pad will still have makeup left over. Next, I use my Marula facial oil by the Drunk Elephant. I use this oil morning and night because I find that it is honestly one of the best facial oils that I've tried. It deeply hydrates my skin, and I do feel that it rejuvenates my skin and it gives it that extra glow. And as with any serums or facial oils, I like to really press the products onto my skin and I bring it down to my neck. You can't neglect that area. The next step is to use a J roller, and this is an optional step. I don't do this every day, but I wanted to show it to you as part of my routine because sometimes I do use it like maybe every 2 days. I mostly use it in the mornings to help depuff my skin from the night, but this tool just gives you such a cooling effect that I just do it because I really love it, but it also has great benefits for your skin. For moisturizer, I use the Lala Retro Whipped Cream by the Drunk Elephant. First of all, I love the applicator on this product because you just push it down and it dispenses the right amount of product for one application. This moisturizer is one of the most richest moisturizers I've tried for nighttime. That's the reason why I like to use it before I go to bed, because it really helps my skin to remain hydrated throughout the night. And don't forget to apply it on your neck and to always apply it in an upward motion. And lastly, I use the Olehenriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream, and I love this eye cream. I just like how it makes my under eye skin feel, so I just love it. I always make sure to apply it on the upper lid as well. And actually, one last step, I always make sure to apply a lip balm before going to bed. And there you have it, guys. That's my nighttime skincare routine. Let me know in the comments down below if you use any of these products. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't yet, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.